ban yada ya ki kyllung na ka jingpang polio bat ban beteng ya ka thong ban pendu ja ya ka ni ka jingpang ka office u district medical and health officer ribhoi district nongpo menta ka sngi kala penlong ya ka Sdang jong kan national immunization day pulse polio haribhoi district kani ka jing ai dawai polio kala Sdang hanongpo urban and wellness center ha umlang kadany ha kabalawan ban plipaj ba daw deputy commissioner ka ribhoi district Ushri Abhishek Saini IAS ha ka jingya don rangkat lang ka district medical health officer ribhoi district ka Dr. AR Marang u Dr. BR Light Plang kinongtri ka koi ka khia lembat ki kimi ki kpa ki balawan ra ya ki kyllung jongki ban pendi ya ki dawai polio la sakhiru about deputy commissioner ka ribhoi district ulawan ra yala I kyllung ban pendi dawai polio kabalong kum kadak ka jing ai mensim bat ban penslur ya ki kimi ki kpa bakin wan ra ya ki kyllung jongki bakin yo ya ka ne ka jing yada ka bakongsan kane ka jing ai dawai polio ka long komsi benta jong ka thong jong ka sarkar pedeng ban pentikena babaro ki kyllung ki ba hapoh ka snem karta kin yo ya ki jing yada bat ban yada na ka jingwan biang jong ka ne ka jingpang ka phang pedeng jong ka jing ai dawai menta ka sngi ka long every drop counts every child's matter kaba pani ya ka jing don kam manla ka we ka jing di dawai ban yada ya ka jing im jong ki kyllung kane ka jing ai dawai polio haribhoi kanne hadu lai sngi haden ka jing Sdang ka ba menta ka sngi ha kine ki ar sngi ki babot ki kanhun nong tre ka koi ka khia kin le cheki snong bat cheki ying breu ban ai ki dawai polio khnang ban penti kana ba onom don satya ki kyllung ki ba sha ino klem dayo ya kane ka jing yada
this program at the event of the pulse polio immunization. So to all the people, I would like to appeal to bring their children for the pulse polio immunization. This vaccination is very important for them in order to ensure protection from a very difficult disease which is polio, and just 2 drops of this will be life-saving for them. So I appeal to all the people of the district, all the parents, the mothers, to please make sure that during this campaign the children should be vaccinated and the polio drops should be given to them. And once again, I'd like to thank the health department and all the team for their efforts, and I hope that this campaign will be very successful. Thank you.